This is the elevator, the Stealth Technology Center. There's some other buildings here at Southpointe labeled Stealth, like on the records and stuff, but this is the actual Stealth Technology Center in Cecil Township, Pennsylvania. This is over Marshall Oildraulic with Impulse. The fast move door, oh, like kind of bounces there. Pretty spacious cab, pretty wide, go up to 2. Here you go up. Pretty fair distance here, 2. Back down 1. No phone. There's some wires. Certificate in the management office, but we have a commercial technical services business card there, and we have a bunch of re-inspection signatures acting like that's a certificate. Very weird. It's a basic Dover cab. Here back at 1, lacing. Here goes nothing bad.